and this is the reason why I make the cuts. And now she's going to put the parchment paper. We put water actually in order to have more humidity because we need to cook this food in humidity. Okay.
Ωραία, πάμε, το σκεπάζουμε και that's it. That's enough.
It's going to cook in okay, Celsius is 220, Fahrenheit I think it's double, 400 plus.
Thank you guys.
For an hour and a half. Thank you, Dana. Thank you. 1 hour and a half. Yeah, it's going to cook 1 hour and a half in slow fire. Yes. Ναι.
Ωραία, αρχικά.
Είναι μόνο ελιές ή έχει και τα φύλλα μετά? Ωραίο είναι αυτό, σαν ιδέα είναι ωραίο. Αλλά να το κάνουμε, okay.